In today's lesson, I'll show you how to contact Amazon Seller Support for assistance with your seller account. To begin, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Hover your mouse over the Help option in the top right corner. Select Get Help and Resources from the drop-down menu. On the next page, Amazon may first display automated help suggestions or recommended solutions based on your issue. These are designed to resolve common problems without needing to contact support. If your issue isn't listed or the suggestions do not resolve your problem, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on My Issue is not listed. You will then be asked to describe your problem. Enter a clear and detailed explanation of your issue and click Continue. In some cases, you may also be guided through selecting a category or confirming details related to your marketplace or account before proceeding further. Next, choose how you'd like to contact an Amazon associate. Available options may include email, phone callback, or live chat depending on your account type, such as individual or professional, and the specific issue you are facing. Not all contact options are available in every situation. For urgent issues, you can select the phone callback option to request a callback from Amazon. However, availability and response times may vary, and this option may not always be shown for every issue. Amazon may prioritize chat or guided support in some cases before offering a callback. Alternatively, you can opt for email or live chat. Amazon typically responds to email queries within a few hours to a few days depending on the complexity and volume of requests. Live chat, when available, allows you to connect with a support associate in real time. When describing your issue, be thorough and provide all necessary details such as order IDs, ASINs, screenshots, or any relevant information. This helps Amazon understand your problem clearly and resolve it more efficiently. Remember, Amazon Seller Support is there to assist with a wide range of seller account issues, including listing problems, account health concerns, payments, and policy-related questions. So do not hesitate to reach out whenever you need help. That wraps up today's video on how to contact Amazon Seller Support.